How to add a new administrator on WordPress. Creating a new administrator user is easy in WordPress. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add a new WordPress admin user. Watch the video to learn how, or follow these simple steps. This video will show the normal way how you can add an admin user. If you have lots of access to your dashboard and you want to restore it, you can check the description. I have there a video on how to insert an admin in a different way. It is important to understand that an administrator has full and complete ownership of a website and can do absolutely everything. This person has complete power over posts and pages, comments, settings, theme, plugins, import, users, everything. Nothing is off limits, including deleting everything. So, please be careful if you give this access to somebody. So, first of all, open your browser and enter into your WordPress administration panel. Write your domain /wp-admin. Write your username and password, and then log in. Now, go with the mouse over Users and click on Add New. The only three required inputs are username, email, and role. But we can add all other info. On the password, you can write a custom password or generate a new one. An important checkbox is Send User Notification. If you leave this unchecked, the user will receive an email that a new user is ready. Now, to add a new administrator on the WordPress site, you need to click on Role and select Administrator. Now, click on Add New User. You have added a new admin user on your WordPress site. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.